Hello, my name's Aqua, and today I'm going to be printing Plushtrap. Before we start, there are some pins on the model that I'd recommend scaling down the width and height to 9/10 scale, otherwise it probably won't fit in the model. Also, if you're looking to save filament, I'd recommend hollowing out Plushtrap's skull. Anyway, now on to printing the model. In total, it took around 1 month to print and around 1,000 grams of filament. Fortunately, the model looks really good and accurate to the in-game version. Eventually, all the parts were done printing and it was time to paint. I started by giving the inside of Plushtrap a few coats of black paint. I then got some nice white paint for the teeth and eyes. I let that dry and then started painting the endoskeleton a metallic silver. After painting the endoskeleton, I mixed together a moss greenish color for the exoskeleton. After that, I made a slightly darker green for his belly and ears. When the model was all painted and dry, I prepared to assemble it. One thing that the creator of the model makes sure to point out is to use a lot of glue, especially for the hip joints, and I definitely recommend doing that as well. With that knowledge, let's start building the model, beginning with the head. Moving on to the body, I insert the endoskeleton into the torso and then press it together with pins. Then I attach the body to the hips. When I attempted gluing the thighs to the foot, it wouldn't go together, so I'd recommend gluing them together. Once the feet and hands were on the model, I got the head to attach it to the body. And now I have achieved my goal of making a murder bot designed to give me nightmares. As always, thanks for watching.